It's 15 degrees Celsius over here.
இங்க பாரு காதல், இன்னும் காட்டுக்குள்ள காதல். Welcome back to Danielology Moto Vlog. So right now we are heading towards Ooty from Salem. So Dindikkal, yesterday we went to Kolli Hill and now we are off to Ooty. So from Ooty our trip will end. We are going back to home because iske baad Ooty there was no plan to go there, but since we are nearby Coimbatore, we thought so nice climate, and yesterday Kolli Hill was fantastic and it was it was not so dangerous, but this road is good, but as you can see there are a lot of trucks around and cattle around, so people are crossing, vehicle are crossing without an indicator. See, this is how they cross. We have to be very भाई साहब फोन में बात कर रहा है. Good. So what a ride, man. 3,500 kilometers and still going on. We are going to put this bad boy on the train and we will go via train. It's a plan, but it can change as per the mood, as per the time, as per the situation. See the taxi color, it's red and white. First time I'm seeing this here. Yeah. எல்லாத்தையும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ண சொல்லி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி அந்த காலத்துக்கு உள்ள போடு, காலத்துக்கு உள்ள போடு. AMCH கோயம்புத்தூர்ல வந்து படிச்சிருக்கலாம் போல. எப்படி view. This is what a beautiful view, and that's a Ooty mountain 60 kilometers away. Sometimes this charger works, sometimes the USB doesn't work. See, now it's not working. I don't know how. I need to search for the courier, and I need to check how I can ship my vehicle to Mumbai. So tomorrow I think most probably I should come down and should get ready so that I can ship my bike to Mumbai. So this is a forest route. I don't know whether they'll leave us above or not, but we are going to try it. Already we are late. Actually we should have come earlier. I came to Coimbatore for some other reason and that cost me a lot. 1 hour late and few kilometers consumed, so it's my mistake, but okay. I just wanted to see the city. I just came in, but city is full of traffic, so I thought to go out, and now I'm out. Now it's 6 o'clock, so going up, I think so it will take some time. Let's see, I can go up or I'll stay somewhere down. ऊपर ही जा रहे तो चले जाएंगे. So we are in Ooty, so 49 kilometers to go. So this is a mountain we have to cross. Put the visor because small insects can go in your eyes, which can cause you. So this is the starting of the Ooty mountain. Gloves for to go. Gloves for to go. What a forest this is. All the mountains, all the area has some unique character. First is a checkpost which gonna take us to, this road will take us to Ooty. Nachi. ரொம்ப பெரிய இதாக இருக்குது. This is an entry lane and there are people going around, so we don't have to worry about anything. See how many vehicles are coming, but everywhere there is a speed breakers and all, so there are a lot of speed breakers which will eventually make your day worst. थोड़ा climate ठंडा हो गया है. People are coming down. 6 o'clock the people are coming down, but we are going up. Oh, that's cool. Roads are good. We just have to be careful with the wild animals. I don't think so there will be a wild animals around, but ठीक है. There are a lot of checkposts. KT. Oh, this is the Ghat station start. So I just wanted to ride it in the daytime, but unfortunately I'm not able to, and I'm riding it right now in the sunset time. இதை வச்சுட்டு தான் எப்படி ஏறன்னு தெரியல. நம்ம இது இப்படி ஏறினா ஏறிடலாம். அவன் ஏறான் பாரு, அப்படி ஏறினா ஏற முடியாது. யானைலாம் இறங்குமா. இங்கேருந்து இறங்கிச்சுன்னா யானை வந்துச்சுன்னா இங்கே பாரு, யானை மட்டும் இறங்கிச்சோ அங்கே இறங்குற யானைக்கு எங்கேயாச்சும் ஒரு மூட்டு காட்டுக்குள்ளே போய் நின்றுக்கும். யானை கண்ணில் பட்டுறத சரியா. நான் உன்னை தூக்கிட்டுலாம் ஓட முடியாது, நீ தான் ஓடணும். மிக எங்கே பாரு காதல், இன்னும் காட்டுக்குள்ளே காதல். இருட்டு காட்டுக்குள் முரட்டு லவ் கூட்டு போகிறோன்னா அவனுங்க கரெக்டாக தான் வருவானுங்க. நம்ம அதுக்குள்ளே போயிடலாம் 1 மணி நேரத்தில். இருட்டாது, அவ்வளோ இருட்டாது. சரி பொண்ணு. So this is how people get stuck when 2 buses are on the road on the same small way. ऊटी मुश्किल है. ट्रैफिक Kunur Municipal welcomes you. Glendale Tea. Riding on the hill, and it's already 7. I don't know, but ठीक है. This is what I have for you people. This is a full fog lamp which I'm using right now, but yeah, this is helping me a lot, but there's no spot, so that's one thing making it difficult. But ठीक है, this kind of dark place, this is so bright, you know, that is one helpful thing which is good. See, roads are good, you know, you see all these lights, that's all hotels and other stuff, so you don't have to worry about the stay or anything, because there are people out there, there are cars, there are lots and lots of cars. So if you are coming on the night time, then बोलते थोड़ा फटती है. हाँ मालाला, दिस इज लाइक अ कोडेकानल, लाइक ठीक है सब एक ही है. अभी और अपन को ऊपर जाना है. इधर ट्रेन बहुत ऊपर, इधर ट्रेन पर रेडी. ऊटी ट्रेन, ऊटी स्पेशल. Okay, so we are in the Kunur city. Wow, ये அங்க பாரு சர்ச். டால்ஃபின் நோஸ் ஊட்டி மைசூர். எங்க போகணும், இங்கே நிற்போமா இல்லை ஊட்டி மைசூர் போகணுமா? இன்னும் போகலாம். 20 கிலோமீட்டர் தான், 20 கிலோமீட்டர். பாத்தியா மக்கள், எவ்வளோ மக்கள், எவ்வளோ க்ரௌடு. I never thought this much crowd over here, but there are huge crowd, man. So 20 kilometers we have to go ahead. So this is Kunur, we are crossing it, and now it's 19 kilometers for Ooty. I think we are already we are late because it was showing 1.5 hours and it's been 30 minutes. And it's 7:30. We are still in Kunur. So सुबह well returning, I think the vlog will be good, but ठीक है, night का भी मजा आएगा.
It's 15 degrees Celsius over here. And ये है Food Street. After a quick ride, it's an unplanned ride. We are shivering and we want to go home. The church. Ooty, Kunur, it's a big place. There are a lot more place to go tomorrow morning. Having food and just a sightseeing right now. So morning we will show you around how it is and really because हमने ride करके आए तो थोड़ा tiredness है क्योंकि it's not just a single ride. Completed Mumbai to Kanyakumari, then Kanyakumari to Salem, Coimbatore, like yeah, Kolli Hill, that 70 air bend pin, that was so fantastic. And after this hill stations, Kunur to Ooty. Ooty is a good place to explore with your bike, not with anyone else.
So he's just going to take the bike and we'll just head off to home because बहुत ठंडी है बाहर. हम लोगों को नहीं लगा था कि इतना ठंडा होगा. Like we were like मनाली भाई हैंडल कर लिए तो this can be done easily, but नहीं, it's very difficult.